Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon online.org. So this is the Ashday Ministry Sector blog, aka the Complete Nation 2019 version. Okay, so you're gonna type in the blog URL. Just gonna wait for it to load. It's downloading, and this is your homepage. Here's your welcome screen. This is your homepage, so here's your welcome screen. So what you have is a couple of slides, I think 3 of them sliding through. So that's welcome to the blog. So those are the 3 slides from the welcome page. Sorry about that. And then this is about us. So as you can see, you can read more about us in the ministry sector. Our pastor Amazon, the senior overseer and pioneer, pioneer minister of Ashday Ministries. Right. So as you scroll down, you get the blog articles. Okay. So you can see sufficient men, self-sufficient men 3, complete men 4. I'm not going to get into detail about any of this at the moment, but now you'll see the videos. So this is Sons of God. It's a video that has been uploaded onto YouTube. This is a Facebook page. As you can see, King Everyday Amazon and more videos that follow. So now we get to the audio section. So in this audio section, what you can do is actually listen to the audio. So you can click on play and actually
The Complete Man 1, Colossians 2 verse.
it takes time to play. That means your network it's not working, but it should play. And you can download the album here and you can share it to Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. For you to view the image, you're gonna have to click onto the image and then confess or affirm, as the Bible says, what you shall speak shall come to pass. Say what you want, what you say is what you get. Your possession, your confession is your possession. So as you keep on affirming it, it comes to pass. My passion for souls is stirred with renewed commitment. I declare that the light of the glorious gospel of Christ blazes intensely in the hearts of the ignorant and unconverted around the world today. So one thing that you should note here, other things you should note is that you can click the like button or the love button to like it or love it. Same thing, you can share it too, you can download it. So you can share it to Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, via mail and Twitter. So if you scroll to the right, you'll get other I confirm images. What you want to do with I confirm images, or what I prefer, or what I suggest you do or advise you do, you don't clear it once. You want to download this image and actually have it on your laptop and actually affirm it every single day until it comes to pass. It's no use affirming it once, right? So you affirm it until it comes to pass, otherwise, good luck.